Hello and welcome to a very special show where we have with us a politician who's always known to be very tech savvy, far ahead of his time, a man who's always been the darling of global industry, which is why he had a very successful Davos trip. In conversation with Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, speaking exclusively to NewsX. Sir, thank you so much for taking out the time. My first question to you, sir, you had a very successful Davos trip. You had 25 bilaterals, you met a lot of CEOs. What's the mood like there amongst global investors?
Generally, global investors are very positive towards India. One is, world is looking after India. India is only the one country which can grow double-digit growth. And also, we are having strong inherent strengths, demographic dividend, technology strength, and also strong market, big market, and also English knowing people. These are all the various advantages we are having. Now, if we can move fast, they are ready to invest. That is the situation today. Even recently, ease of doing business, we have jumped nearly 40 levels ahead. And also GST, it is one more confidence it has created now. With all these things now, it is very, very environmental friendly. People are waiting to invest. But we have to market, and also further we have to simplify the procedures.
Sir, of course, this year Davos was all about India. You had Prime Minister making the opening plenary, a lot of CEOs, of course, willing to invest in India. But according to you, sir, what do you think are those hygiene factors that you think we ought to address, we must address, whether it is big policy decisions, whether it is reforms at the state level, because I'm sure they must have shared with you their wish list that, these issues need to be addressed.
No, always wish list will be there. At the same time, this year is the India's Davos. And at the same time, first time Indian Prime Minister addressed in the plenary session. After 20 years, Indian Prime Minister attended the Davos. This is the reality. I am going regularly for Davos. This is one place where so many cross sections are meeting together. Countries are moving very fast. We want to move fast. My expectation, I want to benchmark Andhra Pradesh top 5 or 10 in the world on ease of doing business. In this, there are some central government list.
Yes.
They have to support. Government of Andhra Pradesh will simplify further.
Okay. But what is it that you want from the central government?
But there is excise departments. Only you have to put it your fingerprint.
Yes.
Then it will identify, then you can move.
Yes.
That stage has come now. Same thing, customs, excise, all clearances, it should be online. Now GST has come.
Yes.
No, why can't we bring everything online and clear in such a way within no time? If you see, some people are saying giving subsidies is bad. According to me, giving subsidies is a must. How to improve efficiencies in that sector is very important. When bifurcation took place, farmers are very bad shape. They are in distress. So what I have done, 24,000 crores, I have waived the loans. So we have to go for reforms. We have to initiate so many things. Technology, I am going in a big way.
Yes.
Agriculture mechanization through Uberization. Everybody will have agriculture equipment. Online, we will book everything.
Okay.
If you want any harvester, it will come to your field. Within one day, you can reserve it. You can book it like that. So we are bringing idle equipment into operations. My state, as a matter of fact, it is a very sentimental state. Bifurcation, they have done one-side bifurcation. Even people's sentiments were totally affected. And also, they have been humiliated and insulted. 125 years Congress party paid heavily, they have become zero. Now, not even 1% votes they are getting. Even recent elections also 800 votes.
Yes.
What it means, they are all hurt.
Yeah.
And also humiliated, insulted. They are not in a position to forgive them. Second one, because of that action, even today, Andhra Pradesh per capita income is the lowest in South India.
Yeah.
They are all feeling it is not our mistake. The then rulers have hurted very badly. Suppose if you lose something because of crisis, that is different.
You know, something is because it's been taken away from you on purpose. That's the feeling.
My hard work,
Yeah.
for 60 years hard work, if you had taken away
Yes.
and send us send us to the roads or to this place
Yes.
without having anything,
But sir,
consider misery.
are you unhappy about the fact that no special status came?
No special. That is what I am asking Government of India. This is the feeling people are having. You have to give all these things hand-holding, what all mentioned in the Bifurcation Act, and also what are all assured in the Rajya Sabha, and also we have to reach level playing field. Till that time, you give us hand-holding.
But it does not happen.
You know, it is not happening. Some areas it is happening, some areas it is not happening. They have to fulfill. That is what I requested PM also. He assured me. He said he will have a review.
Okay.
Then he will, but all possible he will do it.
Okay. You are one of the most important allies of the NDA. Is there some disconnect?
No, they promised me after some time, because of Finance Commission, we are not in a position to give special status. We will give special package equivalent to special status. They have passed in the cabinet also,
Yes.
but not yet implemented. That is what I told Minister. He said they will implement immediately. So I asked them, you give me flexibility now. Either HUDCO or NABARD or banks, commercial banks, anyway it is a credit.
Yes,
You
absolutely.
take that credit, you give this money, it will benefit for me. Then they said they will examine all these things. They promised me they will do.
They will look into it.
Yeah.
Okay. NDA now, for all practical purposes, doesn't exist because of the approach of the new BJP. Do you feel that?
Who is doing?
Shiv Sena said that. Shiv Sena said that.
No, it's okay. There may be some political reasons. Generally, what we have to keep them always, okay, some alliances, some circumstances, how to carry each other continuously.
So is that trust there?
No, what I am saying, I don't want to comment all these things.
Okay. No, I asking you, sir, simply because only 3 days back, while you were in Davos, Shiv Sena decided that they will not participate, they will not go with BJP in the elections, assembly as well as the centre.
No, what I am saying that how they are going to sort out, let us wait.
Okay.
Losing is not a good option. Okay, at the same time, what is the circumstances, how they are going to gaze, how both of them are going to approach, let us see.
So,
As a third person, I should not comment on that.
okay. As we end this discussion, NDA under Atal Bihari Vajpayee and NDA under Prime Minister Modi, you've been a part of both of them. Where do you see other differences?
No, I have seen coalition politics for the last so many years. Not now. First time NF I have seen, UF I have seen, UPA I have seen, and also before that NDA, then UPA,
Yes.
then NDA.
Yes.
More or less in all these things except UPA, I was also actively participating in making some efforts how to bring together all these things. So each leader will have different approaches, each person will have different outlook also. We should not compare, we should not talk about it according to me.
Okay. Ever diplomatic, Mr. Chandrababu Naidu?
Not diplomatic.
Okay.
Sometimes at that time situations are different. Suppose if you can analyze, Vajpayee ji was the Prime Minister. Telugu Desam had 35 with BJP in Andhra Pradesh,
Right.
29 on our own,
Yes.
6 for BJP
Yes.
with Telugu Desam support.
Yes.
Naturally, only with Telugu Desam that government was dependent.
Yes.
Minus Telugu Desam, they will be minority. So
The equations were different.
different. I never asked any ministers again. I didn't join. I told them I will support from outside. Even though 29 MPs,
Yes.
I support from outside without asking any ministry. If I should have asked, they should have given 6-7 ministers.
That's correct, yes.
So that is what I am saying.
But there is no convener this time in the NTA. And as you said, the equations are different because the BJP itself has 282 MPs.
That is what I am saying. So many equations, so many times, so many things. All these things in politics, all these things, how to work it out together for an overall objective is important.
But you are part of the alliance. That alliance is very much intact.
That is what I am saying. I am having different problems. Somebody is having different problems. My problem is development.
Yes.
I don't want to, even my ministers are not important for me compared to my development.
Of course.
My position today, because of bifurcation problems, there is a suffering. First of all, I have to address that suffering.
That's correct, yes. That's the core issue.
People suffering.
Yeah, that's
That
the
is
core issue.
Core issue.
Yeah.
Other things, sharing power or not, that is not an issue for me.
Yeah.
I am not asking any positions there.
Absolutely, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much
you.
for your time.